Okay, so before creating a project, so first we should remember what are the folders and the files you are going to organize. Okay, so let it be this file itself. Okay, so check. So in this, I have two folders, right? So in these two folders, after this, I'm going to implement this .html file. So this is for entirely for the compiling purpose. It is not our code. I have not inserted any CSS file and JS file here that which I customize. This is a predefined one which is downloaded from website. So as of now, we'll continue. So how to create a navigations for the portfolio. Okay, I'll create a fresh project. Create a new file. I've created a new folder, VS Coding and Project Portfolio. Select this folder. Okay, my voice is not audible for everyone. Is it clear now? Can you hear me, ma? Guys, everyone? Is it okay? Hmm, thank you. So now, so here I have a new folder that is called Portfolio Project. So now I need some three folders. Okay, so one is for that is CSS files. Maybe another folder for JavaScript files, and one more file is for the index.html file. That is, we are going to store the files there. Okay, that is the important coding. And one more folder is for images. Okay, so this is how you will be creating a file. So first we'll get a that is basic template. So how we'll create the basic template? So basic template is nothing but first we have to give a starter, right? So what is the starter thing we need to mention? So doc type HTML, and then in the HTML you need to mention the language. That is nothing but en. Okay, and here we have some two things: so head and the body element. So in the head, meta charset. The charset value is UTF-8. In the meta name equals to viewport. So we already discussed this, right? So these are the important things we need to add. And the content with device hyphen with. Okay, and then if you want to give some title, you can mention. So title, I want to mention it as a my portfolio. Okay, so after this, I need to get the link, right? So better I'll go and get it. Okay, better I'll copy this. Okay, this template. Okay, so this is how it will be. So now what we'll do is, the main important thing is before creating a project, you should know what are the things you are going to give in a website. Okay, the first thing is I'm going to add the navigations. First, this top thing, right? So top one is navigation. Just come down, and here I will give a navigation. Just remove this. This navigation, what are the things you need to mention is the same thing what we discussed in the morning session. So navbar hyphen expands hyphen lg. So here I want that navbar to be, fixed at the top, and also I need to that to be scroll. So navbar scroll option. Okay, just close this. So in between, so div class. So I'm creating a container. So in that container, I'm going to place the link elements. Okay. So in this container, the first thing is I'm going to give the brand a navbar hyphen brand. Next is href hash. Okay. Just close this and give some name. Giving us text action, text action, and or better I'll give it 18 ESP 0. Okay, so this is how I've given a name. Next thing is after this link button, and the class is navbar hyphen brand. So href hash. Just close this, and here, oh sorry, one second. So this is a button, right? So in this button, okay. So in this button, I'm mentioning it as a nav or toggler because I want some toggler option. So I'm giving it as a toggler. Okay. After giving it as a toggler, and the type is what? It's a button. Okay. So type is nothing but a button. So next to this, data hyphen ps hyphen toggler. So collapse and then data hyphen ps hyphen content. Okay, so in this particular place in the button, what I need is I need some collapse. So which should be it's just like in the horizontal lines, right? So that is mentioned. And then here, the data B is I need a target. So what you're going to target. So which content is going to display in this place. For that, I'm giving a special ID. So that ID is navbar supported content. And here, I'll give attribute as area expanded, giving it as false. And if you want, you can give this, this is not that much important. Okay, so area label, so you can give a label for this, and it is toggle navigation. So like this, So here in the button, I'm going to give set a button. So I'm going to span it. So give a span. I need an icon. Okay. So class. So here itself, they have designed a predefined icon. So it's nothing but navbar hyphen icon. Just close this. Okay, so this is what it will be. Okay, so navbar hyphen toggler hyphen icon. So once it is done, next what we have to do is I need some unordered list. Okay, I'm just going to have a navbar toggler, so which I mentioned here. So this gonna be I'm going to map it after this button. Okay, so now in this place, create div and the classes collapse navbar hyphen collapse. Okay, and the id is navbar supported content. And here we have something called as unordered list. So unordered list classes giving us navbar hyphen nav and the margin. So margin space will be allowed. So auto. Okay. So in list of elements, what you're going to specify. So the list of elements, I'll give it as a link. So unordered list. The class name is class nav hyphen item actor. Okay. The link you can give a class name. So class name is nothing but class is equals to nav hyphen link. Okay, this is going to be active. Okay, so in this unordered list, sorry, in the anchor tag, I need to give a name, right? So I'm giving a name as home and also href. I'm going to link something. Okay, so as previously, I was not linking anything. So here I'm going to link. So I'll give hash and home. And paste it here. Product and service. Okay, so this is what it will be, and just come down. So as of now, we'll see the output. So what happens? So as of now, it is TSP and home product services and about us. So if you want to import the image also, you can do that. Okay. And next one is after doing all this, just close it off. Okay. And I will import some hero header. Hero header is nothing but we want to add some images. Okay, if you want to add some images like a banner, then you can go with this. So here, 1 minute, let me download that file, the image files. 1 second.